TV18, India's hospitality sector has been struggling for traction all through 2012, but international hotel chain Marriott seems to have had no such trouble. Farah Bookwala reports the success that has given the chain elbow room for some serious expansion.
International hotel chain Marriott has, over its 15 years in India, opened only 18 properties across 12 cities. Mainly because the focus has been on profitability, and this has paid off. Over the last 5 years, revenues and profits have shown 15 to 18% yearly growth. In 2012, its revenue per available room grew 5% year on year, when the industry saw it fall 6%, making India the second fastest growing country in the Asia-Pacific region. So to take things to the next level, Marriott plans to open 6 more properties in the country in 2013. As part of an aggressive expansion exercise undertaken in the country. 50 more hotels are under development and they will open their doors by 2015, giving the chain 15,000 rooms against the current 4,000.
The different brands that we operate have great reputation, be it the JW Marriott on one hand from luxury perspective, or Courtyard by Marriott as a 4-star product in this country is extremely well established. Also, a lot has to do with our very strong loyalty programs. The Marriott Rewards loyalty program, we have now almost 400,000 members in India alone.
JW Marriott, the flagship 5-star brand, and Courtyard by Marriott, its 4-star brand, will lead this expansion. Of the 24 hotels that will be up and running by the end of 2013, 11 will be Courtyard by Marriott's and 5 will be JW Marriott's. In addition, Marriott will bring in 2 new brands from its global portfolio, luxury brand Ritz-Carlton and mid-tier brand Fairfield. So that's 2 new hotels in Bangalore this year. Marriott says Fairfield will lead the expansion thrust in the future.
We have actually gone into a JV partnership with an organization called Samhi, who are developing a number of hotels around the country. We believe Fairfield, between today and 2015, we could have easily about 8 to 10 operational around the country, with another very strong pipeline of about 20 to 25 hotels for the future.
Under this joint venture, Marriott will develop Fairfield hotels at a cost of $25 million. While the Marriott Group operates all its properties solely through management contracts in India, the management is now looking to experiment with the franchising model for its brand Fairfield, as it would enable them to scale up the brand quickly. However, the management is firm that the franchising model will continue to remain a small part of their operating model, and that franchise contracts would be entered into only with select developers. In Mumbai, Farah Bookwala.